We've brought you some pretty hefty videos when it comes to huge accidents on the motorway, and this one potentially is the biggest of the lot, at least I've seen in recent times anyway, and it comes from all the way over in India, believe it or not. This is a pretty scary incident on the motorway, and let's have a look. There is no sound, unfortunately, with this video, guys, so I'll just commentate over it, and then we'll go over what's actually happened here. We'll do some good old-fashioned analysis here on the motoringchronicle.com. So here we go, my man's just driving down the motorway here, and then there's a lorry that loses control because he's trying to avoid a truck there that is on the right-hand side. Another car smashes into it as well. There's just a lorry just parked there for whatever reason with a JCB. I'll just rewind it, try and get a little still of this. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. I mean, obviously, I think it's incredible how narrow these lanes look, for one. I mean, I guess cars in India are a little smaller, but things like trucks and buses, I mean, this guy looks like he's in a coach or a bus or something like that. There's a guy just stood up at the front as well, which I find incredible, but it's that part of the world. I mean, you see some pretty crazy stuff on the roads there over in Asia, trust me. Never had the pleasure of going to India, though, but when it comes to road safety, they are not very safe in general, it must be said. Getting better, but yeah, still a long way to go. But yeah, this is all essentially, as far as I can tell, caused by the fact that there is a lorry there on the right-hand side, in the right-hand lane there, and they're just parked up. And yeah, they've got like the flashing lights on and stuff, but there's no cones, there's no division to stop the rest of the traffic just going and hitting them. I mean, this is 10:15 at night, according to the timestamp in the video there. So there shouldn't be too much traffic on the motorway. Maybe they're doing some late night repair works. It's impossible to tell just going off of this, but that is a nasty, nasty crash. And yeah, the lorry ahead does actually flip over. And you can see as well, you can see if you look closely at it too, there appears to be some huge piece of debris there on the side of that lorry that's parked up. And I'm pretty sure, unless I'm mistaken, that is part of the rear axle of that truck, and I think that's probably why that rolls over, because the truck is pretty much at a standstill once it's come to rest there. But it flips over because there's no left-hand axle on the back of the cab there. Sorry, the back of the vehicle, I should say. So that's probably why that's rolled over there. I mean, I have no idea if everybody is, all right after that. I mean, good reactions from the bus driver. I think this is a bus anyway. It looks like one. Could be a lorry, I suppose. It's really hard to tell just going off of this. Great reactions from them to not go and slam into the back of the truck. That could have been a much worse accident than it already was, and it was pretty bad as it turned out. And it was pretty bad as it turned out, fair to be said. If you're wondering, according to the caption I found in the original video here, this is in I'm going to try and say this, probably going to say this wrong. This is in Tiruchenkonde, that is said horrifically wrong. I'll put it on the text underneath there. You can read it if you wish to. That is in Tamil Nadu's Namakkal district. It was on the 6th of June, according to the timestamp in the video there. But yeah, I mean, you can have all the blues and twos, you can have all the hazard lights in the world, but unless you have something to warn people in advance, some sort of signage or something to, denote that this lane is closed for this part of the motorway, people are going to make mistakes, particularly late at night as well, particularly when there's other traffic around too. So, scary incident, guys. Just make sure, as much as we complain, as much as I complain about roadway just goes to show, guys, as much as we complain about roadworks and stuff on the motorway and major roads, particularly at night here in the UK, they at least always do give you signage. They do block it out for the workers that are meant to be there. I mean, they're not usually there, as it turns out, but, just any kind of obstruction that might be in that lane, that is not something that's universal going off of this. That is an absolute shocker. Your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always, and we'll see you soon for much more content on the world of cars and crazy crashes on the motorway here on the motoringchronicle.com.